Ariya ka mo tubig? Para sa Pizza G's magpasulang. Okay. Pasulod sila sa bago nga tubig. That means nga oxygenated water ang pasudlon and preparation sa pag-harvest sa it's either May 9 or 10. Okay, this is how they do it. Malinis na tubig. Okay, ito sa I think ini nga tubig daw gamay na lang oxygen content sini. So isla nila medyo pasudlan nila karon sa fresh ka nga tubig from the river. Okay, this is how they do it. And kapanyaga na ka mo? Way pa? Bago lang? Ito ano ni may lambat ni? May naga... may makagwa ng bangros, no? Okay. Alright. Among ini ang the art of bangus farming. Kita lang. Okay. Let's go to the other side. I think this one is the main artery po ang pasulod from the river. Okay. Dari ni masulod sila pasulod sa tubig from the main source, which is the river down there. Down there is the river. We will go there and see it later. And I don't know, but atong isa ka trampa to that is full of bangus ready to be harvested in a few days. There's another part. Of the Dorimdis fish farm. As far as your eyes can see nga may tubig. Okay, that belongs to the Dorimdis fish farm. Okay, so okay, now let's see. Let's check the main source of water from the river. Okay. Tawag nila na major nga trampa. The main. So that's where they control the water that's coming in to the fish pond. Okay. And then from there they distribute it in different trampa. Okay, like this. So that's the main artery, and this one, this portion had already been harvested last week. So that means I don't know kung may isda pa na dere, because as I can see, damo palablab. See, you see that? That is lablab. That is the food of the bangus. Okay? So, most probably, may unod pa ini nga isda. Kaya they will not harvest it kung may mga pagkaon pa ang bangus. So, I don't know. I think I'm mistaken. Probably in another trampa or portion of the fish pond sila harvest last time. I think that was a week or 2 weeks ago. Now that other one there that we just passed, that is they are readying it for harvesting. That's it. As you can see, on the other side of this tributary, all the water that you can see, as far as your eyes can see, belongs to the Dorimdis fish farm. Okay, here in Nalumsan, Barangay Nalumsan, Carles, Iloilo. So, let's go down there to the main artery. See, this is still, I think the water is moving, so that's a good sign. I think it's going high tide now. They have to change the water so that the new one that is coming in is not. I don't think it's I don't say contaminated, but less oxygenated. So that's okay. In this mangrove, okay. So that is another hut, the rest house of the Bantay. You know, they are the one working here in the fish fund. So they are, you know, sometimes the guy who is watch everything going on here, they have something by Kubo to rest. Okay, that is the rest house. We passed a couple of rest house before, and this is another trampa. Now nagapagwa sila sa tubig. Okay, they are changing, I think, the water later on. Pasudlan nila. Okay, so they are changing the water to a fresh one. Okay, that's where we came from. Okay. So this is it. Now, as I said earlier, this is the main trampa. This is the trampa from the river, and I think that's a river already, or I don't know, river or creek, whatever. So, ang nagasulod ang tubig from the main trampa. Okay. So, I think that is their call sign. Too bad I cannot go on the other side, and this is too high for me. I cannot climb that trampa. My 67 years old niece are already up. Di ko to?
Manaway.
Manaway? Ano kuha nyo? Ha? Saway?
Suway.
Ano?
Suway.
Suhay. Ano ina?
Suway.
Anong suway?
Sudan.
Ha? Isudan. O, patanaw ako be? Bo, may balon ka tubig. Ilimnan nyo. Ay.
Ito ang kayo.
Oo. Ano? Be, patanaw ako. Anong suway? Oh, amo ina. Be. Suway o wasay-wasay?
Suway.
suway.
Why?
Oh, amo ini ginakuha nila nga shell. They called it suway. And ulam na mamaya. Tangali. So, damo na nakuha niyo?
Wala pa.
Wala pa? Hindi ka mo makadto?
Dito.
Dito? Okay. Be, tanaw ako kung paano ka mo magkuha sing suway. Wala ka mo sang bagungon? Damulog?
Wala rin.
Wala rin, ha? Okay. This is the main river. This is where they control the water coming in and out of the fish pond. Okay. I put some net there to prevent sometimes may makalabas na bangus from the punong. So, for safety, they put that safety net so that they can recover whatever nga makalabas from the trampa. Okay? So, amoy na. And that one there, beyond those trees, are the main river. Okay? And this is the mangrove that protect during the punong, the kahon. This one, they call this kahon. I don't know what they call that in English. But this is the one that protect the kahon during heavy storm. So they planted this mangrove for protection. Okay. And wala pa. Okay. Te, namit karon sudan nyo eh. Kung damo kwa nyo, baklon ko iba na? Pa damulog pagitain nyo ko damulog Okay. Bagongon, wala?
Yara.
Hindi lang anay bagongon.
Mapait.
Mapait ang bagongon?
Oo.
Di kayo wala pa mapaluad.
Paluaran eh.
Ha?
Paluaron.
Paluaro nanay. Para maluad ang makinaon niya. Amo nang nagapapait sa kwan, okay?
Yes.
Ate, sige. Kung may makuha damo, kuha nyo karon, sobra sa sudan nyo. Baklon ko ha? Okay So, amo na mga kabataan diri, mga obra sa punong. Okay? Kabataan nila sometimes to save some money para hindi na mabakal sang ulam sa bayan. So, dire na lang sila kakuha sang ilang ulam. Sudan. Okay? And this is rich and basta masipag ka lang dire sa punong, mabuhay ka, hindi ka makuan dito, magutuman. Okay? Amo initi ang ginalibot sa bantay sa punong. Pipi ang hinablos ko, pamangkin na siyang overseer dito. Okay? In the morning at saka sa evening, sa gabi, nililibot niya ito every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Okay? At least twice a day iniikot niya ito. See? I-check kung anong may mga problema ang kahon or whatever. Okay? So ganon din kahirap ang bangus farming. Okay? So itong isang trampa lang ang inikot ko. I don't think I can do the whole ikutin the whole. I think it will take me half a day, or for me probably a whole day, because of my 67-year-old na tuhod, hindi na pwedeng makipag hiking. So ito lang, itong isang trampa lang na ito na naikot ko. Marami pa doon sa kabila, pero let's leave that for another day. Okay. So I think may laman pa itong rampa na ito, kasi as I can see, ang dami pang pagkain, no? Yung nakalutang na yan ang pagkain ng bangus. Okay, tawag sa Ilonggo, lablab. So most of the time pinapaubos nila yan sa isda, and then kung ubos na, that's the time na mag-harvest. And usually pag nakita mo na ubos na sa taas, pero sa baba marami pa, hindi pa hindi pa lumutang. So but most of the time hindi na nila pinapakwan yun, kasi someday pag another cycle, mahirapan ka magpalablab uli. Yan, dami pang pagkain nila, oh. I don't know. Or probably, I don't know. I'm not a manugpunong. Oh, okay. I think I'm mistaken. I apologize for my mistake. Because you know what? This, itong trampa na ito, gina-ready nila ito. Those foods are sufficient, abundant, okay? But there are no more bangus. Why? Because this trampa here, as you can see, this is the similyahan, okay? You know, those finger, ano ba tawag nila? Fingering, whatever. Ang similya ng bangus, dito nila yan ginabuhian. Then after that, pag malaki-laki na at maubos na itong pagkain na ito ng mga fingerling, they will transfer the fingerling here. They call this larguhan, okay? Ipalargo na nila. Dito na sila para lakihin, patabain until i-harvest. So from here, this is the similyahan, okay? When they buy as a similya or fingerling, dito nila yan ginabuhian, and they allow it to grow a little. Siguro mga tudlo kadako, mga like my finger. Then after that, when the larguhan, this is the larguhan ready, they transfer the similya here until it will be harvested. So, and this one, kung wala ng laman, they will prepare it again for another cycle. Bili na naman sila ng similya. Dito na naman nila okay, and I don't know if this thing is possible. Nakita ko si Pipi dumaan dito but let's try it. Okay, I'm lobat now. I'm almost done. Masukal ito. Kakatakot. Wala lang sanang snake, because I'm scared of the snake. And nalibot ko lang ang isang trampa. So, ang sarap ng pawis ko. Parang nag-workout ako sa gym ng 2 oras. Sarap. So, pag dito ka nabubuhay sa, tawag namin sa Ilonggo dito, punong, fish pond or punong, wala kang sakit, okay? Wala kang high blood, wala kang diabetes, wala kang hypercholesterol, everything. You breathe fresh air, you eat fresh food, fresh vegetable, and everything. So, ganito. So, I think I'm correct. Okay? Ako naman, hindi naman ako manugpunong. Pero dito dumadaan yung mga fingerling. Okay? From here, sa similyahan, they transfer it here, through here. At ito ng larguhan. Okay? I don't know. Baka may makarinig sa akin na manugpunong. And I'm telling a lie. Or hindi tama itong sinasabi ko. Just please correct me. Okay? Okay. Because napasya lang ako dito sa mga in-law ko. Okay? And ang mga in-law ko, they are very expert in bangus farming. Okay? They've been doing this for many generations. Ito talaga ang kanilang expertise. So, I'm almost back home. Ito ang every time ang bantay, which is none other than pamangkin din namin, siya ang caretaker dito. So this is where we started. Okay, so isang trampa lang yung inikot natin. How much more kung ikutin mong lahat ito? It will take you half a day. Okay? To check the trampa, mga kahon, the condition of the water, kung may mga pagkain pa. So, ganyan. So, this is where we started earlier. Okay? And that one, probably you are wondering what is that? That they call that kabaong. This is dito nila iniipon ang mga bangus na ready to be harvested. Bring it up here dito sa kabaong, and this kabaong is full of ice. So they put the fish here, and the fish die through hypothermia na sa lamig. So when it reach the market, it's fresh. Yan ang masarap pag namatay sa yelo, sabi nila. So that is the kabaong. Puno ng mga tao rito kung mag-harvest. Full ito. Ito stock room nila kung ano mga supply sa punong abono, insecticide, everything andito. And that's where we came from. Look at that. Isang trampa lang inikot natin. Okay.